Good morning children. I hope class 9 children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. In last class we had seen division algorithm and even we had seen some examples also, and it was told that remainder theorem and factor theorem you don't have to study, but then also few examples already we had seen, and it was told to start exercise 2C. I had told you that 2 questions are important, that is required to be done, and rest of the question you are doing, that will be for your benefit, and if you are not doing, that is not so important for the exam, but 2 questions was important. So let's see exercise 2C, 2 questions we will see and we will try to understand, and rest of the questions if you wish you can do. So let's start. Here you have first question: by actual division find the quotient and the remainder when x to the power 4 plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. And this type of questions already you have done in class 8, so I don't think any problem you would be having, but let's try how it to be divided. Here you see your px is x to the power 4 plus 1 and your gx, your divisor, is x minus 1. Last day it was told that first term you see you have x to the power 4. So now we need to see by which term it should be multiplied so that this x to the power 4 can be eliminated. So we need, after multiplication we need to get x to the power 4. So here you see x minus 1 you have. With x, if we will multiply x to the power 3, then we may get x to the power 4. So you multiply this, x to the power 3 into x to the power 4, x to the power 3 into minus 1 will be minus x to the power 3. So now it is needed to be written over here. You will get x to the power 4 minus x to the power 3. Now here you see this is required to be subtracted. So when we subtract, we change the sign, minus, and this will be plus. Now forget old sign what they had, now new sign what you have put, that will be operational. So here you see x to the power 4 plus and x to the power minus will be cancelled, and here this is required to be added. Here you see x to the power 3 plus 1 you have remained, so you will get x to the power 3 plus 1. Now here you needed to write x to the power 3. Now again we will see by which term we will multiply x minus 1 so that we can eliminate x to the power 3. So here you see x minus 1, if we are multiplying by x square, we will get x to the power 3. So here you will have x to the power 2 into x to the power 3, x square minus 1 will be minus x square. So here you will get x cube minus x square. Now it is required to be subtracted, so minus and plus, and this will be cancelled, x cube, and you will be left with x square plus 1. Again the same thing is required to be seen, what term is required to be, what number we will put over here, so that if we will multiply we will get x square. So here you had to write x square. Now here you see we need to multiply x minus 1 by x so that we will get x square over here. So here we will write plus x into x square minus x you will have. So x square minus x. Now again this is required to be changed, sign will be required to be changed. Suppose here you have minus and here you have plus. So x square and x square will get cancelled and you will be left with x plus 1. Now here you need to get x, already x you have, so we will write plus 1. 1 into x, 1 into minus 1, it will be minus 1. So if you are subtracting, again sign will be changed, it will be cancelled, your x and x got cancelled and you are left with 2. You are left with 1 plus 1, 2. So your remainder is 2. So here you will write, you had to do what? By actual division, find the quotient and the remainder. So your quotient is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, and remainder is 2. This you have got. Now verify the remainder is equal to f1. So what you need to do, you need to put the value. Here you see, you have fx, suppose you have x to the power 4 plus 1. So f1 if you are putting, what you will get? 1 to the power 4 plus 1. It means 1 plus 1, it means 2. So remainder you have got 2. So this you can write, this is verified, because remainder you have got 2, here also you have got f1 is equal to 2. So this you can write verified. So in this way this type of questions are required to be solved. Next question you see, verify the division algorithm for the polynomials px is equal to 2x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 2 and gx is equal to x plus 2. So first we need to divide this, then we will verify. So if you are dividing 2x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 2 by x plus 2, how will you divide? You see, here you have x to the power 4 and 2 you have. So we need to multiply x by x cube, so that you will get x to the power 4 and 2 will be required. So you will multiply with a 2x cube, just you see, 2x cube into x plus 2 you will do. So when you will multiply, both the term will be multiplied, x plus 2. So 2x cube into x, you will get 2x to the power 4. 2x cube into 2, so you will get plus 4x cube. Now you need to subtract this. So if you are subtracting, first term will get eliminated and you will be left with, here you see, minus 6x cube and minus 4x cube. So you will get minus 10x cube, and then next terms you have 2x square minus x plus 2. Now you see, we need to eliminate minus 10x cube. So for this, what is required to be done? This whole term x plus 2 is required to be multiplied by minus 10x square. Just you see, if you are multiplying x square, you will get x cube, and minus 10 if you will keep, you will get minus 10x cube. So this will be minus 10x cube, and 10 is minus 10x square plus 2, it means minus 20x square. So what will you get after subtraction? Here this will be cancelled, and here you will get 22x square minus x plus 2. Now here 22 you have got, so again we need to multiply with 22x, so that 22x square you will get. So 22x square and 22x into 2 will be plus 44x. This will be minus and this will be minus, so this will be cancelled and you will get minus 45x plus 2. Now we need to multiply it by 45, so that you will get minus 45x. So minus 45 into x, you will get minus 45x, and minus 45 into 2, 90 you will get. So here you will get plus and here you will have plus. So this will be cancelled and you will get 92. So your remainder will be 92. Now we need to verify, and for verification what we need to do, we know dividend is equal to divisor into quotient and plus remainder. This you know, this is division algorithm. So we can write Px is equal to Gx is divisor, into Qx is quotient, and remainder, that is Rx. So this is needed to be verified. So we need to multiply Gx and Qx, and then we need to add Rx on that. So Gx into Qx plus Rx we will find out. So that will be equal to Gx, you have x plus 2, and with this you need to multiply 2x cube minus 10x square plus 22x minus 45, and then we need to add on this what, your remainder, and that is 92. So just you multiply this, x into 2x cube, this will be 2x to the power 4, x into minus 10x square, that will be minus 10x to the power 3, x into 22x, it will be 22x square, x into minus 45 will be minus 45x. Now we need to multiply with 2 into 2x cube, that will be 4x cube, and 2 into minus 10x square minus 20x square. Then you have 2 into 22x, this will be plus 44x, 2 into minus 45 minus 90, and at last you have 92. Now you see, here you have 2x to the power 4, 2x to the power 4. Here you have 10x square, here you should have 10x cube, here you should have 10x cube, minus 10x cube and plus 4x cube, it will be minus 6x cube. Then you have 22x square and minus 20x square, it means plus 2x square. Then you have minus 45x and plus 44x, means minus x. And lastly, constant term you have minus 90 plus 92, and that is 2. So finally you have got 2x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 2, and that is equal to your Px, 2x to the power 4, you see, minus 6x cube plus 2x square minus x and plus 2. So that is equal to Px, and here you can write verified. In this way, this type of questions are required to be solved. One more question you have taken, we have taken, that is not very important for the exam, but then also I have taken. You see, the polynomial 2x cube plus x square minus ax plus 2 and 2x cube minus 3x square minus 3x plus a, when divided by x minus 2, leave the same remainder. So just you see, if they are being divided by x minus 2, they leave the same remainder. So we will need to find out the value of x first. So x minus 2 is equal to 0 we will do. Suppose this is gx. Gx is equal to x minus 2 and that is equal to 0. So x will be 2. Now you put the value in both the expressions. You need to put the value of x in this equation, 2x cube plus x square minus a x plus 2, and find out the value. 2 into 2 cube plus 2 square minus a into 2 plus 2. So it will be 8 to just 16 plus 4 minus 2a plus 2, and this will be 22 minus 2a. So your remainder will come 22 minus 2a, and here if you are putting in this equation 2x cube minus 3x square minus 3x plus a, then your remainder you will have 2 into 2 to the power 3 minus 3 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus a, and this will be 16 and 12 minus 6 plus a, and finally you will get 16, and this will be minus 12 and minus 6 will be minus 18. So minus 2 plus a you will get. Now you see this has been written that they are leaving the same remainder. It means this must be equal to this one. So here you can write equation 1 and equation 2. So 1 must be equal to 2 because the remainders are same if it is being divided by x minus 2. Both the expressions are being divided by x minus 2 and are leaving the same remainder. So 22 minus 2a will be equal to minus 2 plus a. You need to simplify this. So minus 2a, a you bring left side, so it will be minus a, minus 2, 22 will be taken right side, so it will become minus 22. So finally you will get minus 3a is equal to minus 24, and a will be minus 24 by minus 3, and this will be 8, and this will be your answer. So in this way this type of questions are required to be solved. Here you see in this chapter exercise 2c, first and second question I have solved, and I hope you have understood. Rest all the questions you see, even these are not for the exam, because in this time you don't have to study this remainder theorem. Then also this is very easy. How it to be done, you see, x minus 1 you have. So gx is equal to x minus 1, you need to find out the value of x first. So x minus 1 is equal to 0, do x is equal to 1. Now you need to put the value of x in the given expression, and whatever value will come, that will be your answer. So in this way these all the questions you will be able to solve. This is so easy. So try to solve this question for future, you will be having benefit. And this question number 13 already I have solved. Rest other questions also if you want. These all the questions up to 16 in the same way this can be solved. So by this way this exercise get over. Exercise 2c I hope you will do in your copy, and next day we will start factorization. And even factorization also already you have done in your previous class in class 8. So once you revise by yourself and then you watch the video, so that you will be able to understand in better way. So we'll meet in next class. Till then, thank you.